Hello, everyone, and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and we have a special guest, Joyful Designs. And the theme is Summer Sultry Table Styling. So here is what I've put together for today's Tablescape. So I'm going to start with this candlestick with a yellow candle in it. And I painted this myself in a Mackenzie Child inspired design. And then I have some yellow tulips in a little crystal bud vase and a couple of smoky glass candles from Amazon. And these are battery operated. And I have two of those. And then I have this little crystal clock, which I find very romantic. And I do have a wine glass, black with a gold band at the top. This was Amazon. And then I have this decanter vase with two more yellow tulips in it. Next, I have this beautiful large glass. This could be for water or wine or any of your favorite drinks. That was the Dollar General. And I have it all on this Harlequin table runner from Amazon. And here is the table setting. I have a cream color napkin with a silver napkin ring. And then I have a Lenox cream color cup with a gold band. And then as a dessert plate, I have this black and white plate from the Dollar Tree and this black and white striped plate from the Dollar General. And then this charger from Amazon that's black with gold edging. I wanted to show you the back of the dinner plate. That was only $2, again from the Dollar General, which is quite pretty, and I've had this for a couple of years. And then the dessert plate was $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. So I thought those two went well together with the black charger. And then I just place the coffee cup on top, and this is a Lenox coffee cup that I've had for many years. Now, each of the place settings looks similar, except this head of the table cup is a little bit different. It has more of an ornate trim on it with black and gold. I only had one of those cups, so I just used that for the head of the table. So here is an overview of my whole table with the sultry summer vibe to it. So I want to give a thanks to Denise Designs for being our guest host today. I hope she likes what I've done for today's styling. Now I want to thank you all for watching. Now if you would go and check out the playlist and leave everyone a nice comment and a like. And we'll see you in the next Tablescape Tuesday. Bye-bye for now.